Imagine a car that runs on the most abundant element in the universe. A vehicle that emits nothing but water vapor from its tailpipe. A machine with all the power of a gasoline engine, but without the pollution. This isn't science fiction. It's hydrogen engine technology, and many believe it could be the engine of the future. But what exactly is a hydrogen engine? Is it the same as an electric car? And can it really replace gasoline and diesel on the global stage? To understand the future, we first have to go back to the basics. A hydrogen engine is a type of powertrain that uses hydrogen gas, H2, to create energy. But here's the catch. There are actually two main types of hydrogen engines, and they work in very different ways. The first is a hydrogen internal combustion engine, which burns hydrogen fuel the same way a regular engine burns gasoline. The second, and perhaps more well-known, is the hydrogen fuel cell, which uses a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to generate electricity that powers an electric motor. Let's talk about the internal combustion version first. These engines are surprisingly familiar. In fact, they're almost identical to the traditional gasoline or diesel engines we've been using for over a century. The key difference? Instead of injecting gasoline into the cylinder, it injects hydrogen gas. Then it compresses it, ignites it, and uses the resulting explosion to push pistons and generate motion, just like in a regular engine. So what's the benefit? Hydrogen combustion engines emit no carbon dioxide. Since there's no carbon in the fuel, there's no CO2 in the exhaust. The only emissions are water vapor and small amounts of nitrogen oxides, much cleaner than traditional engines. Even more exciting, these engines can be built using existing technology. Car manufacturers like Toyota and Yamaha have already developed working hydrogen engines that sound and feel just like high-performance gasoline cars, but without the guilt. Then there's the second type, the hydrogen fuel cell. This system doesn't burn hydrogen. It converts it into electricity through a clean electrochemical process. The heart of a fuel cell is a thin membrane sandwiched between two electrodes. When hydrogen gas enters the cell, it splits into protons and electrons. The electrons are sent through a circuit, creating electricity, while the protons move through the membrane and combine with oxygen from the air to form water. No moving parts, no combustion, no emissions except water vapor. It's a clean, quiet, and highly efficient process. Vehicles powered by hydrogen fuel cells are technically electric vehicles. They just generate their own electricity instead of storing it in a battery. So why isn't every car on the road running on hydrogen right now? The answer comes down to a few key challenges. First, there's the issue of hydrogen production. Hydrogen is everywhere. It's in water, in plants, even in the air. But it's almost always bonded to other elements, which means we have to extract it. Right now, the most common method is called steam methane reforming, which unfortunately releases CO2 as a byproduct. In other words, we're using fossil fuels to create clean fuel, which kind of defeats the purpose. However, there is a cleaner option: electrolysis. This process splits water, H2O, into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. If that electricity comes from renewable sources like solar or wind, the hydrogen is 100% green. The problem? Electrolysis is still expensive and energy intensive. Scientists are working hard to make it more efficient, but we're not quite there yet. Second, storage and transport. Hydrogen is the lightest element in the universe, and that creates a problem. To store it as a gas, you need to compress it at extremely high pressures, around 700 times atmospheric pressure. That requires reinforced tanks, special pumps, and strict safety measures. Hydrogen can also be stored as a liquid, but that means chilling it to minus 253 degrees Celsius, almost absolute zero. This makes hydrogen tricky to store, transport, and distribute. Gas stations today aren't equipped for it, and building out a hydrogen infrastructure is expensive. Right now, only a few countries, like Japan, Germany, and South Korea, have started building a national hydrogen fueling network. Third, cost and efficiency. Hydrogen cars, especially fuel cell vehicles, are still more expensive than battery electric vehicles, BEVs. While battery tech has improved rapidly and prices are falling, hydrogen fuel cell systems remain costly to produce. Also, while fuel cells are efficient, the overall well-to-wheel efficiency, meaning how much energy you get out compared to what you put in, is still lower than that of battery-powered EVs. So why bother with hydrogen at all? Because it fills in the gaps that batteries can't. Battery EVs are great for short trips and urban driving, but they struggle with long-haul trucking, heavy-duty machinery, and aircraft, all areas where hydrogen shines. Hydrogen tanks can be refilled in minutes, compared to hours of battery charging. They're lighter, which matters in aviation and shipping. And unlike batteries, hydrogen doesn't lose range in cold weather. That's why companies like Toyota, Hyundai, and Nikola are betting big on hydrogen trucks. Airbus is developing hydrogen-powered aircraft, and several countries are working to build a hydrogen economy that could fuel everything from trains to power plants. And it's not just about transportation. Hydrogen can also be used for grid storage, industrial heat, and even steel production, all major sources of emissions that batteries can't easily replace. In other words, hydrogen might not be the only engine of the future, but it could be the missing piece in the clean energy puzzle. Still, the road ahead isn't easy. For hydrogen to truly go mainstream, we'll need cleaner production, better infrastructure, and cheaper fuel cells. But progress is being made, and fast. So the next time you hear someone say hydrogen is the future, remember, it's not hype. It's science, engineering, and innovation, fueled by the simplest element in existence. Hydrogen engines are more than just a clean alternative. They're a glimpse into a world where transportation and power generation work with nature, not against it. And that future might be closer than we think. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos